Hey guys, namaste. So, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can shortlist university names based on your search criteria. Let's say you want to study computer science here, and you don't know where to start. So keep watching. You will learn all these steps from beginning till end. So first step will be like shortlisting the universities. So where you can find universities. So the first thing what you can do is like go to DART website, and then they have like it's like a marketplace for universities. So what you can do, you can simply the filter. Let's say you want to target like winter semester or summer semester, and then accordingly you can put like whether you want like a courses only in English or German English and master bachelor, like or let's say like public universities or private universities. I mean, of course your target should be like a public universities. So accordingly you can put and then search. So what that will give you, it will give you like the whole bunch of list, where like the courses are like taught related to your program. So but that doesn't mean like you are eligible for all the courses or like in every universities. No. So what you have to do is you have to check the criteria, like admission criteria, because every university have like their own criteria. So you have to check it, and then accordingly what you can do, you can make a list, and then check like like which university criteria, admission criteria you are eligible. So, and also what you can do is like you can convert your grade into German grade according to university. Make a list whether you are eligible or not. Check whether the university is like asking IELTS or TOEFL, or they are okay with medium of instruction, because some universities they are fine with medium of instruction. So you have to check it that one, and then accordingly you can make a list. And also what I will suggest you to do is check whether you can apply directly or Uni-assist. No, if you have to apply through Uni-assist, then you have to make all the documents and then upload on Uni-assist and apply through that. For that, I already make a video, so you can have a look. And then next, what will be like happening once you submitted your application on Uni-assist? So they will evaluate your application, and then they will send like your application to university, which will take like maybe like 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and then yes, then university will like do all this final evaluation, and then they will offer you offer letter. What next? So the next step, then it comes to like visa, applying to visa, booking appointment, and then you, for some countries there is no where you don't have to give like a visa interview, but sadly for Nepal we have to go for like visa interview. So you can do that, like then at the end it will be like, I mean, visa process will take like 4 to 6 weeks, and in some cases it's more, but yeah, 4 to 6 is like a standard time period for visa processing, and then you have your visa in your hand. So let's talk in like, if we will talk stepwise. So what you have to do first is shortlisting university. You can check like on Uni-assist or AI. You can also use AI tool. I mean, you have to cross check whether you are eligible or not. Sometime on Uni-assist they mention like they need like a B2 level of English, but at the same time, if you check their university website, they mention they need like a C1 level of English. So you have to cross check that. And the next step is like whether you have to apply through Uni-assist or directly. If directly, then just apply. If Uni-assist, then make sure like you are fully eligible to that university and you are fulfilling the criteria, and then only apply, because you have to pay to Uni-assist. It will cost you almost like For first application, 75 euro. From second application, 30 euro. So make sure you have, like, you check like criteria, then you're eligible. And then third step will be uh, checking visa. Once you got the acceptance letter, and then check for like a visa appointment. And then the last step will be like giving a visa interview and planning for Germany. So this is like really necessary what you have to do. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, as usual, feel free to contact us, and see you in next video.